Hello, working on a Harrier 41 Quantum Briggs and Stratton engine. I'm taking the cylinder head off because there's no valve clearance on it, so let's do that. You always get a stubborn bolt all the time. Down here, you always get the trouble, and they are so stubborn they won't come out. And when you do it, they snap. I got all these out here. I done one before. There was two like that what snapped off in the block. So this I only got one stubborn one is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a new valve gasket on here. Then I can put a new head gasket on this one. So I'm completely going through this. It won't run properly, so I thought best needs to order some parts anyway, some spares, quite a bit. So bit by bit. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.